please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello students, today we will start exercise 9.2 coordinate geometry section formula. What is section formula? Internal division and external division. There are two types of section formula. We use mostly internal division formula, which is x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Today we start exercise 9.2 question number 4. Find the midpoint of line segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. You have to find midpoint. What is midpoint? So first there are 2 points A and B. Coordinates of A and B are 22, 20 and 0, 16. There are 2 points A and B. First coordinates of A are 22, 20 and coordinates of point B are 0, 16. Like this is x1, y1 and it is x2 and y2. There is a midpoint C. C is midpoint of line segment AB. We have to find the coordinates of point C. Then midpoint formula is midpoint formula. X is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Put the values of x1, x2 in this and y1, y2 in this formula. So x is equals to x1 plus x2, 22 plus 0 upon 2 and y is equals to 20 plus 16 upon 2. Adding 22 plus 0 is equals to 22 upon 2 and 20 plus 16 36 upon 2. Then x is equals to 11. When we divide 22 by 2 is 11 and when we divide 36 by 2 is 18. Thus midpoint C is 11, 18. This is our answer. Question number 5. In what ratio x-axis divides the line segment which joins points 5, 3 and -3, -2? Very, very important question for your board exams. In what ratio x-axis divides the line segment which joins the points 5, 3 and -3, -2? There are 2 points A and B. Coordinates of A are 5, 3 and coordinates of point B -3, -2. You have to find point on x-axis and we know that on x-axis value of y is equals to 0. Then there is point C which is on x-axis. Point C is on x-axis. So coordinates of point C are x, 0. Why? Because on x-axis value of y is equals to 0. We have to use section formula. You have to find ratio. So let we assume ratio is k:1. हम यहाँ पर मान लेते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो आपको रेशियो फाइंड करना है वो k:1 है. हमारा सेक्शन फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 और y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. यहाँ पर y की वैल्यू 0 है तो एक्सिस का जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो वहां पर जो 0 होगा उसी वाला फॉर्मूला आपको पुट करना है. तो आपको यहाँ पर y वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. y. Y is 0. x1, y1, m1, m2, x2 and y. Put all the values in this formula. Y is equals to 0. m1 k. y2 minus 2 plus m2 is 1 y1 3 upon m1 plus m2 k plus 1. K plus 1 multiply by 0, then whole term is 0. So k plus 1 into 0 is equals to 0. Minus 2 into k, minus 2k, 3 ones are 3. Minus 2k in LHS, then plus 2k is equals to 3. K is equals to 3 upon 2. Then ratio is 3:2. This is our answer. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, in what ratio y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2, -3 and 5, 6. In question number 5, there is x-axis. In question number 6, there is y-axis. On y-axis, value of x is equals to 0. There are 2 points A and B. Coordinates of A 2, -3. Coordinates of B 5, 6. There is a point C on y-axis. So, coordinates of C is 0, y. On x-axis, x, 0 because value of y is 0. On y-axis, coordinates are 0, y because x is 0. Ratio is k is to 1. Like ratio is k is to 1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And ratio is m1 and m2. In this question, since value of x is equals to 0, so we have to use formula for x-axis. Okay? X is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Value of x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. m1 k, x2 5 plus m2 is 1. x1 2 upon m1 plus m2. K plus 1 multiply by 0, then equals to 0. 0 is equals to 5k. 2 ones are 2. 5k in RHS, then minus 5k is equals to 2. K is equals to 2 upon minus 5. Since ratio never be a negative value, यहाँ पर k की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आ रही है, लेकिन कभी भी जब भी आपको रेशियो फाइंड करना है वहां पर आंसर आपको माइनस में नहीं आना चाहिए. आपको यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन को हटाकर k इज इक्वल्स टू क्या लिखना है 2 upon 5. ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पर रीजन देना है एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पर इंटरनल डिवीजन वाला फॉर्मूला लगाया था. इंटरनल डिवीजन लगाने पर यहाँ पर नेगेटिव आ गया, लेकिन रेशियो कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब कि ये पॉइंट जो है वो कहाँ पर है, एक्सटर्नल डिवाइड करना है. इसलिए यहाँ पर रेशियो कौन सा रहा था, माइनस में, तो उस माइनस साइन को हटा के आपको प्लस में चेंज करना है और ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन होने की वजह से यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन आ रहा है. तो रेशियो इज 2:5. ये हमारा आंसर. Question number 7. In which ratio point 11, 15 divides the line segment which join the points 15, 5 and 9, 20? There are 2 points 15, 5 and 9, 20. In which ratio this point divide the line segment joining these 2 points? It means there are 2 points A and B. Point A is 15, 5. Point B is 9, 20. There is a point 11, 15 on line segment AB. On line segment AB, there is a point C. Coordinates of point C are 11, 15. We have to find ratio. So, we assume ratio is K is to 1. This is x1, y1. This is x2 and y2 and m1 m2. यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको x और y दोनों ही मालूम है, तो यहाँ पर आपकी चॉइस है कि आप यहाँ पर x वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना चाहते हो या y, क्योंकि दोनों ही वैल्यू दोनों से आंसर आपका सेम आएगा, तो आप जो भी फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं यहाँ पर x वाला फॉर्मूला लगा रही हूँ। x इज इक्वल टू m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 first x is equals to 11. m1 k, x2 9, m2 1, x1 15 upon m1 plus m2. K plus 1 multiply by 11. 11 into K plus 1 is equal to 9 into K, 9K plus 15 ones are 15. 11 into K, 11K, 11 ones are 11 is equals to 9K plus 15. Now, this goes to LHS or 11 goes to RHS. 11K minus